Yo,
What's up?
what up? What's going on, guys? Good morning. This looks stupid clean for just hire.
Yeah, honestly.
Just market maker buy model up. So many draws and liquidity higher.
Yeah, that is what I'm on.
10.5 inches, bro.
Hey, yo, bro.
That's what we got last night.
You can't say that with no
Pause.
context.
Okay, yeah, pause, pause,
Yeah,
pause,
bro.
pause.
No context. Imagine someone in here who's never experienced snow. Like, yo, bro, 10 inches of what?
Okay, yeah, fair enough.
Bro said 10 inches. That's what we experienced.
That's what we got last night.
Even better. We. That's insane. I think
Yo,
it's
you
raining
saw the
outside.
whole Adam 22 and Jason Love thing?
Yeah, I saw it on like Twitter.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Did you see the whole Jason Love and Adam 22 thing?
Yeah, I saw it on like Twitter.
Dude, that shit's. Oh my god, bro. I mean, come on, dude.
Yeah, I mean that is insane. I can't lie. That guy, that guy is something else. I don't know.
He's DMP. I'm telling you right now, if I ever get put in that situation or I ever start going down that path, I give you full permission to come to New York and beat the fucking shit out of me, bro.
Yeah.
Nah, that shit's crazy
Yeah,
though.
that guy is special. Can't lie.
Lena
There's
lasted
like
longer than
information can
him,
beat the
bro.
shit out of him. Yeah, nah, he's like And then he gets beat up by this. Like that's actually sad.
Lena lasts longer than him
I
with Jason.
don't even know why he accepted that fight. Cause getting beat up and nah, like that's bad. Yeah.
Do you know the lore with him a little bit?
Hmm.
You do?
Yeah, that's why it's kind of like that.
Yeah.
Bro got beat up twice,
Yeah.
basically.
Well, so like he's like a pedo.
Oh yeah, I've heard about all that. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
so
it.
that's what I was talking about. So like he went on tour with Lil Peep during like 2016, 2017. He was like 30 years old and he was hooking up with like 16-year-olds. So
Mm,
then he married like Lena or whatever, had a kid with her, and then tried getting rid of the news. Like he was
mm.
with her and this all came out, and then he tried getting rid of the news by all of this stuff, humiliation rituals.
Yeah, it makes sense.
I don't know.
Sounds about right.
I'm a pretty big conspiracy theorist. That's what I believe is
Nah,
happening. I
it
mean,
sounds about
dude,
right, honestly.
how do you let your wife do that, bro? I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. Like I don't get how you get to that point, but
To each his own.
bro must have been there for the money.
Bro, he's got so much money.
That is true.
Lena probably made him millions too.
That's what I'm saying.
Was it really all for money? Is it worth it for money?
Bro, I should have longed this bitch at 5 minutes.
I know. That 5 minute inverse was clean as shit, bro.
Yeah, just like that candle was just nice. That would have been so clean just to hold. Just literally no drawdown, just enter and it just goes up.
Mm.
Yeah. Then the market's gonna open and fire us. Nah. We had 8:30 news, so I mean we have news like every day.
Yeah. Yeah. We took that a low and high,
See
right?
if this. Huh?
We took that a low and high already.
Nah, it's gone.
Wait, what?
Uh, actually, yeah, the data candle was like nothing at 8:30,
Yeah, it
but
was garbage, right? Yeah.
see, yeah, I really just went along like up to 774, but then after that, there's not really a target until previous day high, previous week high for
Yeah.
NQ.
I have 7. Let me see. I have 742 for London. I have 774 for New York PM high.
Mm,
I have 808 as New York lunch high, and then previous week
mm,
high at 845. I think we run
yeah,
them all today, honestly.
ideally, we'll see if these SMTs go away. That we have up here. The hourly flipped,
Yeah, I think we just bull run through all of
and
them. Fuck these SMTs, honestly. Call me crazy.
yeah, I mean we should. Yeah, I mean, we'll take like a retrace and higher.
I was thinking about it all weekend, bro. I can't believe I didn't hedge. Such an idiot, dude. I keep running it over in my head because, dude, these contracts, everything made sense too. It like the contracts expired the next day, so I could have gotten like 200 out of the money contracts, and those even if they
Mhm.
ran up, even just 500-600% out of the money that much, like that's crazy, I should have done it. I'm such an idiot.
Yeah, they're still going down somehow. Mhm. Well, I guess there's nothing in their earnings to evaluate that they're like their current like immediate buy. I guess everything is more future. So
Exactly, yeah. So I just bought more. I'm holding for the long haul now.
yeah. Just, let me see. Da-da-da. I mean, towards the end of this year, they'll be releasing new processors, so
Yeah, that's why I'm just gonna hold. Fuck it.
see what they release. I think AMD is starting to release some type of AI processors this quarter.
Bro, I just recently bought AMD in my long term, like my retirement
Mm.
account that I can't touch. I'm already up 15% on it.
Yeah, I think they're about to release something this quarter.
Dude, I bought it the beginning of this month because of the next, like the new year.
Yeah,
Literally already up 15%. I don't understand.
yeah, it's actually insane. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, basically they're about to just release AI processors for quarter one, I guess. So see what those do.
Yeah.
Let's see this SMT with London. It's low key
So,
holding right now.
yeah. I want it to fail though.
Even if NQ goes up, and ES will take that PM high, end up making another SMT. This 15 minute should form. See what it does if we hold it into the opener. If we fail,
Mm-hmm.
it closes. We'll get a gap and like a nice like order block breaker. It'll be like a 15 minute unicorn if we get this gapped out.
Yeah, this would be a really nice gap actually.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and if we get this gap tap too, we could possibly hit like equilibrium of this range.
Mm-hmm. I was just about to mark that.
That would be pretty clean.
Yep. You down to knock out some videos today?
Yeah, we can.
Bet. I've got a few people that I'm like kind of mentoring, like just for free, people that I know in real life. And
Mm,
the unfortunate thing is that I keep sending them Dodgy's course, because
I
like
see. Yeah.
what other really good ICT course do you know that we could that someone could learn from besides like TJR? Because
Yeah.
TJR doesn't really
I
teach.
don't know, no actual course. I just have like YouTube like content creators, but
Yeah,
I wouldn't say they have like courses. It's just like videos.
yeah. This course is gonna be
Like
sick.
Justin Werline. I'd watch Justin Werline.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Or like or even T Trades.
T
T
trades
Trades
is
is probably
good.
like pretty solid for beginners. He has like all types of playlists.
Yeah.
But he trades like pure reverse, like reversal sequence. I don't really think he teaches like continuation. So like,
Hmm. Like this right here on the 5 minute is exactly what I want to make a video on eventually. Like this is a market maker buy model.
yeah, this looks pretty good. I mean, this 15 here, we get some kind of a retrace, and then like a nice setup towards these highs will be good. I hope we don't just blast off through the 15, but I mean, very well could. ES might. I mean, ES could easily make a run up for previous week's high today and previous day high. It looks like ES is just much stronger
Mhm.
in structure. Because like previous day high is at 69.64, and then previous week is at 69.69 for ES.
Okay.
And then for NQ, it's all the way at 845. So I think for NQ, I just want to, my max target would be like that 774 high. And if we're past that, then I probably just won't look for anything.
But
Because if we get up there, and then even if we do short, like it's not like we're just gonna reverse straight down through like London or like down to these internal lows right away.
yeah,
So basically, either gonna look to catch some form of a long, unless this 15 is like flipped, and we're obviously gonna go for like the range low.
I
But
agree with you.
yeah, I want to long. But that 15 flips, like that's a condition. Like we have the SMT, so if it flips, I could see us going for like the 830 low, that 15-minute low there.
That's valid.
Yeah. And then maybe even like the other range lows to the left would be like 641. Could do that, something like that.
641. Oh, okay, yeah.
Or yeah, 641, my bad. I think I said 741, but yeah, 641. Those little range lows. And then London, I wouldn't assume London because there's SMT there.
Yeah.
Could just be protected.
Yeah, I agree with that. But yeah, we could definitely come and take out these internal, liquidity first, and then,
Yeah.
100.
Even if it's just like for rebalancing.
Yeah, we could
But yeah.
definitely come and, still hold this 15-minute that we held before as well.
Mhm.
There's definitely a possibility.
And then like the 6 p.m. low, I definitely don't expect us to come down there. Like that 6 p.m. open to have previous week equilibrium and the hourly,
Yeah.
the CE of the hourly perfectly too down there. And then we just been buying up since. That like 4 a.m. candle that happened during London, like I wanted that to be manipulation. And then ideally coming into today, we're like moving up again.
Mm-hmm.
So now I can ideally frame continuation higher, seeing what London did. We'll see. Yeah, I mean the SMC London put was pretty nice at that like 9:45 p.m. low
Yeah.
with the ES.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And then our weekly open is right there as well. True day open at 585. So we swept out the open and then that low made the SMT.
Yeah, that 5 a.m. flip up. I really
Yeah.
like that. That was really nice.
Perfect V shape, 3 candle V shape.
Yeah. SMT delivering from a higher time frame for a value gap. Sweep internal range liquidity.
Those are one of those trades you can literally hold from London all the way into New York's open.
Yep.
And then catch like what? Ideally, if you enter there with the stop at the low, and let's say you're just targeting the range high, it's like 3.4R.
Dude, that's like a trade that I always want to take like overnight and just let it run. Like, and I still have
Yeah.
yet to-
Because I mean, the 5 minute, look how long you'd have to hold through. You're basically holding through for like what, 4 hours?
Yeah.
And then
I mean,
you basically just have to enter, go break even, and then just leave it be. Like
Exactly.
wait for it to go break even, and then just let it run.
That's exactly what I would do. Just let
Yeah.
that bitch run.
I'm just at this 15 now.
Yep.
I do I do have like the CE of that previous day wick marked out just because it was like a huge wick. And what do you call it? He has tapped into that so far, but yeah, this 15 will just be the condition if we hold this and I want a long.
Yep.
I wish ES would have left London highs because we had like perfect like equal highs right there too. These highs to the left of it. So let's see, basically on the hourly, we got the inverse up, the new day opening gap. We flipped it and then we closed like closed back over. So London went back inside of it. We closed back over. I mean, basically, if I'm playing off the hourly, it's like I'm playing off the hourly inverse right now at this point.
Hmm.
Because in my head, it's like if we're bears, then that hourly gap after we displace lower should hold. But we closed it pretty nice. At 8 a.m. close. And also, ES closed above London, which is technically like not really a sweep. We actually closed London high, so
Yeah.
yeah, I like the SMT at the bottom to hold over the one at the top here.
I agree with you. I do agree. Yeah, I want to see us come rebalance this range, and if we blow past this range, then scaling up to the 15 minute, the range that we just put in from
Mhm.
like 583 low, and
Yeah,
that lines up. Let me see, roughly where the 660 low is. So sweep that inside that 15 minute. So we'll see
I
what
see that.
happens. Only if we blow past this
Not
current
bad.
range.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, see what this 15 does. So far, ES is holding. ES is definitely just like much stronger. I almost might consider longing ES if it just looks way cleaner.
Is valid.
Yeah, I mean, on a 5 minute, even when you look at it, it's like that push up we just had looks like a nice break of structure, and then we could just retrace that move to continue higher.
Yeah. I just got a dodgy alert on that 1 minute. But
Yeah, we just made like a crazy flip at the last second on that candle there.
yeah.
925. That's such a shallow tap into that gap, though. But I mean, if it works, it works.
Yeah. It's this.
Sheesh.
Wow. Wow.
I do like the reaction, but I'm not gonna take it. I want to wait till the open and actually see like what we do. Because what if we remanipulate into this 15?
You would be break even right here.
Yeah.
Let's see if this delivers. I mean, every pair is correlated here. This thing is looking strong.
And yeah, I didn't even peep like last week, but like we had a huge external SMT with YM at the
At the
I forget
lows.
where, but yeah, somewhere at the lows we did
Yeah.
have like a big external SMT with YM.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, we are correlated here.
We do have internal SMT now, so external and
Yeah.
internal.
Yeah, that London SMT still holding for now.
Yeah, let's see. I do want to see us just blow past this though.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, this looks pretty solid, honestly. I mean, I couldn't see why we would just flip this move to go lower, especially like the highs are actual like session draws compared to just the internal lows.
Mm-hmm.
I really just like my ultimate target's really that 774. Just sucks. We're 40 points away, so it's like if we just blast off, then I'm gonna have to fade until maybe until we come up to previous week high all the way up there. It would also be nice if ES like did an SMT every high we make.
I agree.
It would just make it much more clear. You guys might take that PM high on this move here. Well, that long have got break even, or would you still be in this actually?
Nah, you'd still be in it.
Valid.
Yeah, just barely.
See. Yes, took out that EM high just now.
Yeah.
We took out London on NQ. So now we just have that PM high SMT. But I do agree. I think we just invalidate any bearish SMTs.
Mm-hmm.
Eternal SMT's gone. It's good too. I really would try this 5 minute close, but I can't guarantee we just completely rip off the open.
I know. Yeah.
Sheesh.
I mean, honestly, we might.
Yeah, it looks like it does look
Yeah.
like it.
We're getting strong as shit here.
That little 1 minute gap tap too off of that
Mm-hmm.
like 5 minute push.
Yeah. Wow.
Just check out this internal high I had at 755. Some extra draws that PM high for strong. Let's see.
Wow.
Sheesh. We took out the low inside that 15 minute SMT for now. Sheesh.
There's CE of the 15 minute.
Mm-hmm. SMT down here still holding for now. Yep. That 30 second might be good. Tried that 30 second there. I'll go break even at the high. The recent high.
Fire.
Break even there. targeting that PMI at 774. Yeah, it's just a previous day high out right there too.
Yeah.
Might be a break even. Let's see. That was super close. Holy. Come on, NQ. I didn't size heavy at all because I'm about to just take these accounts slow this week and see what happens for the next month.
No, it's valid.
I only put too many, so it was like 980 risk to make 1340 if I get TP here. Let's see. I don't like how the 30 seconds wicking off though. One last push, NQ. One final great push. It could be a quick Monday NQ.
Come on, NQ.
Fuck.
Oh, Jesus.
We were only 6 points from TP. What the heck? It's fine. All right, now we have these S&Ts. We got to wait. I knew ES would be better too long. Just like ES did make like a first percentage gap.
Did it?
Yeah, NQ did not.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Bro, are we gonna end up delivering to that high now that we just did that? No way, right? Oh, that's fucking foul, NQ.
That's so foul.
That's actually disgusting. Bro, what the heck? Nah, that's insane.
That's gross.
Wow.
Jeez.
Wow, NQ, really? That's actually foul.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
That is insane. I got stopped up by what? Literally, yeah, 10 points in this. Oh, shit.
Coming up to previous week high right here on ES.
Yeah, NQs is at 845. Just a huge gap, or S&T. But like honestly, I don't think it's gonna hold. I think ES is just stronger.
And we're
Let's see. ES just took previous week there. If I can, if I can frame something to like 845 on NQ, I will. We'll see though. If the S&T ends up holding, we're just literally ripping though. Um, yeah, man. I fucking said it too. I was like, ES might be the better one. I faded that shit. Break even by NQ. Sheesh.
Yeah, everyone got break even on that 30-second. That's just gross. And then I was watching the 15-second there, and I was gonna take the 15-second flip, but we took out the internal high before we closed it, so there wouldn't have been a good break even spot. And
Yeah.
this is just a shit show.
I guess like on the 1 minute, like the only reason not to go break even and be like we made that 1 minute order block kind of.
Yeah,
We just ended up wicking into that.
yeah, that's all that was.
Yeah.
Yeah, today's longs were fucking free as shit. It was just hard to get an
It's just
entry.
insane because if I enter that, I think if you enter that 30 second on ES, I don't think you get break even.
Mm,
Or you might, depending where you go break even at. But the setup was kind of different on ES, I think.
yeah, we'll see. Yeah, yeah.
That's the thing. All right, let's see. I'm starting to reject here. I just don't like the SMT all the way up there now. So that's like,
Yeah, that is true.
uh, ES does look like it's like just continuing strong though. So I mean, if NQ follows, then I wouldn't mind trying to long up to 845, but it has to just be like clear. Uh,
Fair.
I can't believe I got break even on that shit. That is so foul, man. ES just looks so strong. I don't think we have any other news today either. So
Okay.
should be good on that end. Might make like a 5 minute gap here
Yeah,
soon.
yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes. See if we form one here.
Yeah, I might do the same. I was watching this 1 minute, but I don't think I'll take anything off of it now. We have a 3 minute gap, 2 minute, and
Mm-hmm.
we'll make the five.
All right, let's see if we come tap it now. Come on, NQ, one time, kid. One time, kid. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Come on. Come in slow. Come on.
Let's see it.
Come on.
So it'd be a good retrace of the leg if like we're truly wanting to just rip.
Yeah.
Like a nice little retrace. Where's
Come on,
equilibrium?
kid. Tap this 5 minute.
Equilibrium's like at the bottom of the five. Let's see.
Don't edge it. Don't edge it. Nah, that would be gross.
Did we hit the 3 minute? 3 minute tap, 2 minute tap. 3 minute, 2 minute. Look at that flip. Holy.
Wow, dude. I mean, I took it with 5 micros on evals, but
I jabbed it too. Got a late fill though. See.
I should have taken more size on that. I fucked up.
I had such a shitty fill. Anyway, I'm targeting 845. What a shit fill I had.
I'm targeting 956.
I don't even know where I'd go break even. Probably just displacement up. We
I'm just
think around like
hoping
830. I'm gonna go break even. 830-ish, yeah.
that was like the last entry possible, bro.
Or honestly, there's these internal highs. 5 minute internal highs at 828.
Yeah,
We just edged the shit out of them though.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna break even if we take those highs. Mm-mm-mm. Don't tell me we're gonna get that candle and then come back down for the 5, right?
All
Yo,
right.
what the fuck?
Right on cue, baby. Every time. Right on cue every time.
That is like actually insane right there.
It's actually crazy.
No way we just did that shit right as I said that. That was insane.
Gross. Absolutely gross.
That yo,
I'm still not even gonna tap the 5-minute watch.
that was actually crazy as fuck. Edge that internal and they just did that. That was insane.
Jeez.
Yeah, I don't know what to say about that one. That right there didn't make any sense to me.
Yeah, no pair tap the 5-minute yet.
It almost looks like it might be a breakaway, but we got so close. It's like we should have just tapped it right there.
I agree.
I went long based on like that 3 minute and the 2 minute once we started pushing out of it. And then, just Diddy candle spike out of nowhere. That was actually insane. Right as I opened my mouth. It's like there's no re-entry area here now, I feel like.
No, there isn't.
Like maybe this 30-second, but I probably won't even try it.
I know. I don't know. We just put in SMT actually. I'm not taking it.
Yeah. That is insane. That shit was 1 point from my break-even spot. Devious NQ, bro.
Of course, I faded the 30-second.
Yeah, I faded it too.
Oh my god.
Damn it. The last thing would be this 1 minute maybe getting created, tapped, and then being the last thing to send us to that high.
Yeah, honestly, I can see that happening definitely.
That would be the only entry I could see myself take from here. I didn't like the 30-second enough because we didn't really sweep anything. We just came down, kind of like basic retrace. And we just wick filled that 1 minute. Like there's no way we use that 1 minute wick as a rejection.
Well, yo. Can you guys still hear me? I don't know what happened.
All right, my internet disappeared.
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Don't know what happened, but I cannot see my charts for right now. I think it's raining outside.
Oh, really? I feel bad, man.
Oh, you go back?
Oh, man.
Oops.
Mike, how's the office right now, bro? You in the office? Mikey D, PO3.
Oh, I'm watching this. We got this 1 minute tab.
Yeah, he's up there.
What
He's
the
up
fuck
there.
is going on? Does that give us that high? I have to see like a reaction off of it.
Can you hear me? No,
No,
you can't hear me.
no, I can.
Yeah, no, I'm not in the office. They made it fucking remote this morning. So shut.
Fuck that.
Bro. But at least I get to watch.
I was waiting for some kind of reaction out of that 1 minute, like some kind of a green candle to come out, but
Yeah,
not seeing one. So I'm waiting.
I'm not seeing anything either. Maybe we come and tap this 5 minute again. Like, I really want to see this 5 minute get tapped, not gonna lie.
Yeah, we could honestly. It looks like we're just generating like light
Equilibrium.
lows.
Equilibrium is like perfectly at those equal lows that we made, like in the 5 minute, like right at the 5 minute.
Oh yeah, that's valid.
Come tap that 5 minute.
Oh, my computer's back. See if I can join my shit. Maybe not. There we go. All right, we're back. I think. Yes. 1 minute inverse right there.
Yeah.
I feel like PB would take that into that 5 minute.
It's not a bad one, honestly.
Wouldn't be horrible. Honestly, at this point, I don't know what the market would do up here because we're technically in premium. So if we did want to rebalance, that's valid.
Yeah. I would like to see rebounds. Honestly, it does make sense. Let's see.
I agree. Just came back into that inverse. Looks like we're gonna hold it so far. I just took that one loss off that long, but I'll have to see if I take anything. If we clear up, I don't know what we're doing right now. Ideally, I would like to see us rebalance lower into a 5 or even like make a 15 and tap that.
I took two
Something.
break-even so far.
That's not bad.
I want to see this 5 minute get tapped and then take longs out of it.
I like that. We're in the macro at the moment. Let's see. Little bit of this, little bit of that.
A little bit just to the right.
Just to the right. I wish it would just take like, a position to the right. We could always like guarantee 100% win rate.
I know. It'd be nuts. This shit's starting to look like doo-doo. Coming up on 10 o'clock.
Yeah, now that we're all the way up here. I guess we do have SMT at that final draw, that previous week high.
Yeah.
But we also just look like we're close enough to go and take it. Who knows? We've literally seen us edge highs and then just like completely reverse in the last couple weeks. We close back above that inverse that we have made. 1 minute. Yes, just made SMT at the high. Reacting off of that. I think if NQ ends up flushing the high, then we'll finally go for that previous week.
I agree.
There just won't be a setup to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's that.
This shit's lagging. It didn't even form for me yet. There we go.
Oh. See if they push through the high or give us another retrace.
If we take this previous week high before this 5-minute gap, I don't know. I'm done. Today. There's nothing else for me here.
Yeah, I might not take anything else. Just because like we're not even making gaps now.
No.
We'll probably grind through the high. And I mean, there are other highs above, but I'll have to see. Just it has to actually make structure. Like after this high, the next one is 891. It'd be like a daily candle high, and then some highs above. I mean, really, we do just have highs stacked all the way up top to like into 26Ks.
Yeah, I agree.
But we're kind of stalling out now.
I mean,
We're starting to like move slow.
Yeah, we are overextended now at this point.
Yeah. We do have a smaller 5-minute down here made now. I didn't even peep. ES made an SMT and tapped a 5-minute on the lows. What the?
Fuck. Did it?
On the 951 lows. Tapped a 5-minute gap there.
Oh,
What gap is that? I would tap the gap that ES or NQ left unfilled. That previous week high is too close to even frame anything though.
Mm-hmm.
If we start to push again, like I'll try to catch them in 891 if it's like if we start getting strong with volume. But if we take that high and then we just kind of like just chop around them. Yeah, I'll probably just wait till tomorrow.
Yeah.
And if we take out previous week high, then we get rid of that SMT as well. So I think then we're low key correlated again. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. So now there's no SMT up top at all. Two, 3 minutes. Yeah, basically we're just pushing off that gap SMT. 5 minute gap SMT. NQ's leading now.
Mm-hmm.
We are just like stair stepping up. Every retrace is basically holding, but they're just like they're not the cleanest of retraces.
Yeah. I agree. I don't think I'm gonna take anything. I don't like. I mean, we could definitely just keep drawing higher, but I mean, those are my draws for the day. Previous week high.
Yeah.
Just bad delivery today, kind of. Or it was good delivery, just bad like price action. I don't know.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. I mean, I had long twice. I got break even on one, loss on one.
Yeah, the structure was just.
But they both ended up playing out.
Yeah, I don't know how to put that into words. Like it was good PA, but it just didn't like. I don't know.
Yeah.
It was wiki.
Yeah, that's the thing. I like the retraces were not like clean.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't deliver off of them clean. What's the high time frame look like now? That hourly candle just shot up straight through the high. What is the S? Like,
Yeah, this was pretty clean. This market maker prime model was clean as shit.
yeah, it was
The
like
lower.
on the higher time frame. It was.
Yeah,
It
the
just
lower.
didn't look good on the lower time frame.
Exactly, agreed.
Like I literally played off the SMT on the open, but I guess I mean yeah, there's really nowhere else to go break even. That break even made sense.
Let's see, did Dodgy take anything? Like Dodgy get any alerts on the indicator?
Probably on 30-second from the bottom there. Honestly, yeah, that 30-second off the open, like I mean, that was really valid. I would take that again probably. I liked it. Just made another SMT with EOS right here. At the internal low. It's like if we build volume and like create gaps and like start moving up again, like 891 isn't far, it'd be the next draw. But we are overextended, so if we don't pick up volume, then I completely won't look for anything. It just looks decent that that draw is close. If that draw is far away, then I wouldn't even like think about it. It's not that far at all. We also have FOMC this week too, but it's like I don't really think is it like that anticipated this time around, just because like I don't really think they're gonna be cutting rates again and stuff, right?
Yeah, honestly, I haven't even been paying attention. I have
Yeah, that's valid.
no idea what to expect, honestly.
Yeah, I have no idea. Let's see.
Nothing for the dodgy indicator today.
Damn.
Like really played out.
Not even that 30 at the bottom.
It would have been a break even.
True. Yeah. What's crazy is the inverse didn't play out, but then the continuation from the 30-second gap did.
Mm-hmm.
That's insane.
Yeah, today was tricky, honestly.
And I was watching on the 30, but like on the 1 minute, it's like I guess break even at that candle high makes sense, but it doesn't at the same time, I guess, because that was like right at the open.
Mm-hmm.
Like that order block came down, then yeah. Let's see. Damn, that's crazy actually.
Yeah, all draws are met. I'm over this. I don't want to
Yeah.
wait for us to build more price action. This is just gonna be consolidation now.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna grind from here.
Did anyone take anything? Anyone get anything?
Made this huge 15-minute gap. Jesus Christ.
Volts, are you watching my screen? I took, I'll show you what I took. Sorry, my shit's lagging. Yo, Volts, my shit's lagging. Hold on. Just trying to change time frames. Yeah, I know, my shit lagging too. 1 second, Volts.
I was gonna say your mic has been lagging a bit.
Oh, shit. I think there's something wrong with the internet around here, honestly.
Honestly, yeah. I mean, it makes sense. You guys are literally about to get slammed by a fucking like Snow cyclone.
Oh no, we already did.
It happened already?
Oh yeah, bro.
Like that's like the end of it? No, that
Yeah.
oh dude, so like what the fuck? You guys complain about snow? Bro, hurricanes last like days.
10 and a half, bro. 10 and a half. Can you handle 10 and a half?
Well. How about bro, try 10.5 of snow? At least that shit's solid, bro. At least you can pack it into a corner, bro. Try 10.5 inches of water in the crib.
Yeah, that's true. But snow is heavier.
Or like bro, in Miami, bro, it's fried. Like when there's a hurricane, people park in garages, their cars get flooded
Oh
out.
yeah. I've seen that. Um, not Vince. Volts. This. Maybe it was it was a 15-second. It was this. I took this one right here. So we didn't tap into the 5-minute, but we sweeped out this internal range liquidity. We were delivering out of some sort of a fair value gap. I think it was a 2 or 3-minute here, and then 15-second flip right here with a break even spot right here, and then this was a break even. And then sorry. And then I took. Oh shit. You don't see my screen? Click watch in the bottom left, Volts. Does that change it? No, nothing. Shit, I don't know. Hold on, I'll join right back. Let's see if that works. Volts, let me know if you can see my screen there. Okay, but 15 seconds. So there was this 5-minute right here. We edged the 5-minute. We didn't tap it, but we swept internal range liquidity. We were delivering out of some 2-minute or 3-minute fair value gap. I forget which one. And then we had this 15-second inverse right here. Entered right here, break even either right here or right here, but this was ultimately a break even trade. And then I took, I want to say it was a 30-second, but I don't remember where it was. Because I remember I faded this 30-second. Oh no, I think I faded this one. This one was the market open one, yeah. I faded this one and then I took this one, and this was a break even as well. That's what it was. Yeah, that's a valid break even. That's fine. That's still a good trade, bro. That's a valid break even spot. Once you get a nice push up like that. And you're already halfway there to TP. You don't want to be giving back profits, you know? Not too much.
11.
Yeah, my mic is cooked. My internet's fried. I don't know what's going on.
Holy.
Is it really
Yeah,
that
it started
bad?
lagging crazier. They can't lie.
It's really that bad?
Bro's buried under a snow tunnel right now. Yeah.
Alright, fellas. I'm calling it here. There's nothing left.
Yeah.
Anyone else want to go over any other trades? Hyman, you take anything? I'm putting you on the spot. Putting you on the spot.
If he can hear you, perhaps.
Oh God, yeah. No, my mic's probably fried. Jeez. All right, yeah. Just ended DMP.
All right, bet. We'll catch you guys in the morning.
Peace, fellas.
Later, boys.
All right, I don't even know if this is gonna work.